Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to run a program as an administrator on Windows 10 or 11. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If you want to run a program as an administrator, just find the program and right click on it. Now you can see here's an option here, open file location. Just click on it. Now, right click on the program you want to run as administrator. Click on show more options. Go to properties. Now go to compatibility. Now you can see there's an option run this program as an administrator. Just click on it and click OK from here. Now your program will run as an administrator. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.